me start the recording here. Okay. System settings. First you need to disable the Windows Update settings here. Okay. It is downloading. Get the latest. Okay. Off. Pass the updates. Advanced option. So you need to stop the Windows Update. Okay. You need to pass the updates here. Okay. Once you are done, okay, it will pass here. So we will be doing with GPEdit.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, for the DevOps, have you specified any class today? There is a new student over here. It seems that he has come for the class and he was supposed to take the class for him.
Shrutik also, for you also. So this is the GP update here, Windows run, okay. GP update. So in the GP update, you will be going into the policy editor, local group policy. Okay, this is your local group policy, computer configuration, and then you will have administrative task, administrative templates, okay, then Windows components, then you will have Windows update here. Okay, so you need to see on the Windows update, you need to see whether you have configure automatic updates here. Windows update. So this is not at present here. Automatic update detection frequency. I will disable this. Apply. Okay. Manage. Enable optional. Select when quality disable. Okay. Safeguard do not include Windows drivers. Okay. So here that option is not there, whatever they stated that it is not present here, okay. Okay. Configure auto updates. Okay, you are not having any auto updates. So you are again disabling the updates from the registry. Okay. So run regedit. Okay. So you are doing this registry edit also, local machine, then software, then policies, okay, Microsoft, then Windows, okay. So in Windows you will need to put a new key here, new key. Okay. Windows update. Enter. Enter a new key value. Enter a new submenu. Okay. AU. Okay. Enter. Right click on that. Okay. New keyword. Okay. New keyword. It's a 32-bit value. Okay. 32-bit value. You need to specify it. No update. No auto update. Okay. You will enter. So we will make it as 1. Click on OK. Okay. So then we will be limiting this limit updates from registry also. Okay. Then we will be doing local machine. Okay. Then software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, policies, Microsoft, then Windows. Okay. So now you are creating new Windows update. Enter. Enter the new key value. Okay. You are creating one more here. AU option. AU. Okay. You are creating AU new key here. AU options. Okay. So now no, you are telling them, okay, not to download. Okay. 2 option. It will be close to disabling it. Okay. So you are disabling it. Okay. So now we have done it. We will reboot this. Okay. So let's do a reboot.